Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can install Rsyslog by running the following command. After installation, check the version with the next command. You can also check the status with the following command. Next, define the specific subnet, IP or domain to limit the HS as shown with the next lines. Save and close the file when you are finished. Now check the syslog configuration for any syntax error with the following command. Finally, restore the sys service with the following command. Now verify that Rsyslog is listening on TCP/UDP with the following command.